Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we will edit again a picture, using Lightroom Mobile CC. So, let's get started. First, go to the Lights panel. For this photo, I'll adjust the contrast to -35. Highlights to -100. Shadows to 71. Whites to -9. And blacks to -28. Now go to the color panel. Adjust the temperature to 19. Tint to 8. Vibrance to 49. And saturation to -43. Now go to Color Mix. Go to Red. Adjust the hue to -12. Saturation to -11. And luminance to 31. Go to Orange. Adjust the hue to -4. Saturation to 36. Luminance to 4. Go to Yellow. Adjust the saturation to -100. And luminance to 13. Go to Green. Adjust the hue to -47. Saturation to -83. And luminance to 50. Go to Aqua. Adjust the hue to 100. Saturation to -100. And luminance to 50. Go to Blue. Adjust the saturation to -100. And luminance to 50. Go to Purple. Adjust the hue to 100. And saturation to -100. And now go to the Effects panel. I'll adjust the clarity of this photo to 16. And a haze to 13. Now, go to the split tone. And then go to Highlights. Adjust the hue to 204 and saturation to 6. Go to Shadows. Adjust the hue to 227 and saturation to 25. And lastly, adjust the balance to -68. So now, we're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any suggestions or request, please let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in another video.